I have the Kell-of-a-Fan Love Blossoms box here from Kell-of-a-Plan, and this is a heartwarming box celebrating Valentine's Day and the power of self-love. Now, this box is a very special box because all of the profits from this box were donated to help a 2-year-old little girl, Olivia, that is been in the hospital waiting for a heart transplant. So this box, I'm happy to say, actually has sold out. It's sold out in less than an hour. Heather went ahead and put that on her website. So I do apologize that the box itself is no longer available, but of course I did want to go ahead and share all of the goodies in this box with you today. And of course, together here at It's a Wonderful Plan family, I want to make sure that we are keeping Olivia in our hearts and in our thoughts and sending her just like all the love and support and prayers that she gets what she needs, the heart transplant, and has just a wonderful life ahead to live. All right, let's go ahead, open this box up and see what's in here. Okay, I've had this box actually for a little bit, and I've been so excited to share it with you. I was hoping that it was still going to be available for you, but I was really also very happy to see that it did sell out, and all of the profits going for Olivia. All right, look at how cute this is. Now, I've never gotten a Kell-of-a-Fan box before. I have seen them, but I just never really picked one up before. So let's go ahead and take everything out of here. There's all kinds of planner goodies in here, and we're going to go through everything in detail. Let's start off with this cute little bracelet. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, this is really cute. Oh, this is so nice. I like this. I'll put that on right now with the little heart bead there. So cute. Okay, and then we have a pen pouch. Oh, that's nice. It's like a nylon bag. Oh, it's really cute. I got like the heart patch on there. It's got some gold hardware. Ooh, nice zipper. Oh, that's a nice little pouch. Oh, I like that. That's really, really cute. Very roomy. Super cute. I'd love to know down below if you have gotten anything from Heather Kell-of-a-Plan before and what you have gotten from her. I've gotten a few things from her before. And if this is the first time you are stopping in here, thank you so much for spending some time with me. I'm Tina, and welcome back if you are a returning viewer. And please be sure to subscribe if you have not done so already. Oh, what's this? This is like, I don't know what this is. It looks like little heart stickies. Why I'm struggling here. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, these are cute. Are they still? Oh yeah, they're little stickies. So they're in different colors. Very, very cute. And then look at the pen. Little heart at the tip there, like that. Love the pink. That's cute. Have to test that out. And then this looks like pen holders. Let's see here. So as I was saying, I've had this box just sitting to the side here waiting for me to open it, and I've just been so busy because life has been life in me so this past 30 days. So it kind of started before Christmas and things just got a little crazy, but these are really cute. I don't really ever use these, but I will have to try them out. There's two of them. There's the pink one and then there's the red one, and they're on that card there with the roses. Okay, there's some washi. It says here there's 6 rolls, 10 millimeters by 5 millimeters. Let's see here. Oh wow, these are cute. Very cute. Oh, I like these, all the different hearts. Okay, I'm going to swatch these out, but first I need to get some paper to do that. So let me continue opening things up here. Let's look at the notebook first. I think this is a notebook. I am loving all of the roses. I love roses. So pretty. It's got red plastic discs on here. They are like mini discs. Oh, that's pretty. We've got like a checkered print on the inside. There are there are 6 tabs. So let's take a look here. Let's first look at all of the tabs, and then we'll go back and look at all of the details. These are really pretty. Like those. Honestly, I had forgotten like what was in this notebook. That's so pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, we've got some animal print. I love animal print. Okay, so let's take a look at what's on the inside here. So we've got self-love reflection. We've got all of the months of the year at the top here. Write a letter to yourself at the beginning of the month, offering words of love and encouragement. And then you make a list of all the things that made you happy this month. Write about a moment from the month where you made yourself proud. Explain why you were proud of yourself. Write a letter to yourself at the end of the month, celebrating the things that went well this month. Write down 4 things that you are proud of yourself for this month. Okay. And then we've got, it's undated, so that I love. A Sunday through Saturday sidebar over here. And then we've got the week, Monday through Sunday. And self-affirmation, something I love about myself today. How am I practicing self-care this week? And it looks like there's some different things here. What is the one thing I can forgive myself for today? How did I show kindness to myself? What is something I need to let go of? How am I growing emotionally? How can I prioritize my happiness today? How can I recharge this week? And then there's an I am grateful for box, and today I am proud of myself for box. Then the sidebar on the right here. And then we go into another week, and all of these boxes are the same. However, this prompts down the center are different. And then the same thing with the next week. Oh, wow. Okay, I like that. I like the prompts on there. And again, those are different and also different. Wow. Okay. And then we have a month of gratitude from 1 through 31. And then we have the same thing for another month. Wow. That is so beautiful. All right. So there are 6 months in here. This is really, really pretty. I don't know if Heather has like anything else in her shop like this. I'm not an affiliate of hers or anything like that. So I don't know if she has that, but this is a really, really beautiful journal. I really like this. Okay, let's take a look at this washi. Okay, we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna swatch it out on the side here. I think this is a good place to do that. Okay, so the hearts are really cute. Look at that. Cute little hearts. Love that. And actually, I'm going to do it this way because there's quite a few of them. So that's really pretty. I've gotten her washi like a long time ago. This one, it looks like it's got the checkered print here. But I haven't gotten any washi from her for a while. That's cute. And then, now is this roses or, yeah, little roses. That's pretty. And then this one is little hearts. Cute. And, oh, I think this is the same. Is this a duplicate? Yeah, that looks like a duplicate of the flower bouquet. Oop, I cut that one. I cut this one a little long. It's kind of like, let's fix that so that way. And then, oops, I just did that one. And then this one just looks like a bunch of like little, oh, what is that? Is that like tiny little, looks just like little speckles, but I think this might be like little animal print. It's just really hard to see because it's really small. But those are really, really pretty washies. I like that. Okay, and let's check out this pen. Let's see. Oh, I like this. This writes nice. I wasn't sure because I feel like decorative pens don't necessarily always feel that great to write with, but this one actually feels really nice. Okay, so that is really, really cute. Love that. Okay, then there is a sticker book. So let's take a look at the sticker book. Okay. Love blossoms. Look at these roses. So pretty. Loving all of those bouquets. And there's two of the same there. And these are paper. Look at how cute this is. Oh, look with the little gnomes. I have got this fascination with gnomes. So funny. Previously I couldn't stand them, and now I just think that they're so cute. This is really cute. I like this with the dog. So far I'm seeing like all paper stickers here, and we're getting like duplicates. And then here's some more. A couple of girls here. Very cute. Some hearts and bouquets. And some boxes. That's nice. Some dots. So these are like the single boxes. Ooh, these are real skinny boxes. And I bet you these fit. Like these boxes, they probably like fit in here. Yeah. I bet you they fit in here. Like if you wanted to change like headings, you could probably put these in here. I know Heather is really good with things like this. So if you wanted to use this for something different, you know, you could put that in there. That is really cute. And then I'm wondering, these boxes probably fit also like in here. Like right in here. Yep. Those would fit in there. Very cute. Cute. Okay. So I don't want to stick that one down because I don't want to fill that in, but that's really cute. And then I wonder about if there's any boxes for these. Let's see. That's a duplicate. Oh, here we go. These are for the month. So now these would fit like in here, and the little notch area is for the date to come through. Now, it depends on where you want to put the date, but I think that these are all like probably the same size. So if you like your dates like on the left side or the right side, you would just like rotate the box. So those are really nice to have to put in your monthlies. There's dots in there, and then there's another page, and then we've got like full boxes and then the double full boxes in here. I like the color palette, so pretty. And this checker plaid has got the boxes, but they're just like all like cut out here for you. Very, very, very cute. And then there's little dots in here, and then there's the like the checklist strips. Oh, and look at, there's numbers. Nice. Okay, so there's 2 pages of numbers there, and then there's a months, and there's some headings in here. So really, you've got everything that I need in here to go ahead and use in this journal. I am enough. I deserve happiness. These are really nice. So these little affirmations, you can put them in your weekly and put those right in there. That's really, really cute. So there's 2 pages. Those are the same. And then let's see. And then these are different here with some like different font in there. I like this printing. I'm assuming that this is her writing, but I'm not sure. I know usually she has like her writing in here. Like I know this lettering is hers, but I'm wondering if this is hers as well. I'm assuming that it is. Oh, and then we've got some alphabet stickers. I love alphabet stickers. And there's 2 pages of those. Okay, that is really, really cute. Okay, so here's everything that was in the box. Such a beautiful box. Love all the roses. And what I love most is that all of the profits from this went to an amazing cause. As I said earlier on, just sending Olivia and her family just all of the good vibes and thoughts and prayers. This was so generous of Heather to do for friends of her family, and I am so happy that I was able to get this and contribute a little bit of this for their needs. So again, this box is sold out. I'm so sorry that it's sold out, that you are not able to get this. I highly doubt that she would be re-releasing this again, but I don't know. I don't know if she ever re-releases any of her boxes, but I would check out her shop. She has got some really, really pretty things in there, and she is always coming up with some really interesting self-guided journals. I received one of her self-guided journals when I attended the Chicago Planner Conference. So I was very fortunate and really lucky to be able to meet Heather there. And I also met her earlier last year as well at Go Wild. So I got to see her twice last year. So that was amazing. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a little bit of love and give me a thumbs up for this video. And be sure that you are subscribed and hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my posts and releases of my videos. And I would love to know if you picked this box up or the sticker book, because I think she was even selling the sticker book at one point. Unfortunately, everything sold out, but let me know in the comments below, and or if you have purchased anything from Heather before and what you think of all of her items. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. And if you watch this all the way through till the end, leave me a heart emoji. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.